Audio. Do I talk in the mic now, bro? I need to eat. साथ साथ मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करूँगा. ठीक है भाई. यार simple answer is के you don't really need to go to film school. Wait a second, bro. This chicken is really nice. अभी एयर फ्राई करके मैं लेकर आया हूँ. हो गया. तो सीन ये है कि फिल्म स्कूल जाने के लिए यू आइदर नीड टू बी वेरी एंटी सोशल और यू नीड टू बी वेरी you just don't if you just don't know anything about cameras, तो फिर maybe you go to film school if you have a lot of money and you just think it's the easiest degree ever to do because you can't understand science or economics वगैरह. तो don't do it because it ain't easy. I mean अगर तुम झूठ बोलते ही हो वैसे भी तो फ़ायदा नहीं है तुम्हारे लिए फिल्म स्कूल, because whatever you make a film on, that is what you think. And अगर कोई भी तुम झूठ छुपा रहे हो दुनिया से वो सब बाहर आ ही जाएगा, because films are made to bring out your inner self, and if you don't bring that out, it isn't really a film, it isn't even a good film. A lot of people have bad films, but the people who actually want to make good films, उनके real self दिखता है उनकी films में. I just graduated 1 month ago, exactly 1 month ago. अभी हो रहा है 1st July. I graduated on 1st June. मेरी convocation थी. And basically that I studied communication and design, and basically मेरी पूरी degree was focused on filmmaking. मैं समझता था कि मैं बहुत ही क्रेज़ी वीडियोग्राफर हूँ, बहुत अच्छा काम करता हूँ, तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ईजिली ये निकल जाएगा. इट विल बी अ ब्रीज. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई थॉट कि साइंस एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट इज़ टू हार्ड फॉर मी. दैट इज़ द फिलोसफी दैट आई हैड एंटर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी विथ. बट आई सून रियलाइज के दैट वाज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज दिस इज़ एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड एज वेल. एंड इसके अंदर मेरे जो सारे झूठ थे वो सब दिख रहे थे मुझे व्हेन आई मेड माई वर्क. And it wasn't good enough. It was because I was being dishonest. तो अभी मैंने जो फिल्म बनाई, I feel like I've been honest in that. That's why it got a fairly good reception. तो alhamdulillah for that. जहाँ तक life after graduation is concerned, I feel like we will be fine. Because work is just like university, like आपको assignments मिल रहे होते हैं, आपको काम करना होता है and वो काम हो जाता है, फिर you just do your own work. Chillings होती हैं honestly. Yes, the period after you graduate until you don't do the job is very nerve-wracking, क्योंकि you can do anything at that time and you have so many possibilities in your brain. तो it gets overwhelming, which is not nice. Yeah, you've done all this work, you got to be confident कि भाई हाँ भाई सही है. I need a break लेने के लिए भी आपको कभी कभार confidence चाहिए होता है. Sometimes you can get too caught up in the grind. I know I did. That is why I burnt out. मैंने एक जॉब ले ली थी अराउंड आई थिंक सेकेंड ईयर या 4th सेमेस्टर था मेरा. मैंने जॉब ले लिया, फिर मैंने 1 साल करी थी वो जॉब, जस्ट टू प्रूव के यार मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ही कोई कूल, लाइक आई डोंट नो हु आई वाज ट्राइंग टू प्रूव इट टू, कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें एक साथ हैंडल कर सकता हूँ. मैंने कुछ 4 फिल्म्स एक साथ बनाई थी एंड यह बहुत क्रेजी बात होगी, लेकिन इट वाजंट रियली नाइस बिकॉज That time period took a really heavy toll on me because I was exhausting myself and all my energy for this thing. You need to be able to step away at times when it gets too much for you. And overworking yourself is cruelty because and it helps no one because तुम बाद में जाके you'll start hating your work, which I started to do, but alhamdulillah ये मेरा last year. I had a phase जिसमें मैं बहुत ज़्यादा I was in line with my faith a lot, and that helped me recalibrate. Like that helped me see things more clearly कि भाई मुझे करना क्या चाहिए exactly. तो मैंने वो चीज़ें की और अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I think I am in a better spot. I have a full-time job now right after I graduated, which is very crazy. Like बहुत अच्छी बात है कि मुझे ऐसा है कि ये like I can't even begin to express how grateful I am for all these opportunities जो मुझे मिलती रह रही हैं. And लेकिन ये ना the human mind is so like weird. It finds ways to disrupt that peace. It just finds ways to take good things and turn them into negative thoughts. तो ये मेरे साथ हुआ है recently, but that is something I feel like that has been a lack of faith which I am trying to work on, because at the end of the day वही चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. वही चीज़ ने मुझे like it helped me become a better person और उसके इफ़ेक्ट्स अभी तक हैं which I really want to get back to. So that is something. बाकी I need to be able to eat better as I stuff my face with chicken. This ain't no regular chicken. This is like fiery fingers. These are like, I'm pretty sure they are unhealthy, but I like them because यार अभी edit session से मैं रुका हूँ. मैं बड़ी full day काम and it's like around 12. It's exactly 12 and I don't know, it just hits. Content बनाना in this age is very weird because अब AI वगैरह इतना ज़्यादा आ गया है and it's like it's a bit depressing honestly, क्योंकि this is the sort of thing which AI should not do, but it is doing it unfortunately. There is no other way around it. It can create videos, it can create content, it can create entire film pieces वगैरह कर सकता है वो. It has the capability to do that. अब बस सीन यही है कि ह्यूमैनिटी कहाँ लाया करती है. जो चैनल ऑथेंटिक होता है वो ही आगे बढ़ता है. एंड आई फील लाइक I'm recording this because I want to be authentic. I want to put out an authentic version of me because ab aisa aisa this world is gonna go very fake. Everything's gonna be fake. Even videos like this are gonna start looking fake. But I'm not gonna do that because I believe in humanity. I believe कि humanity वाली videos थोड़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी होती हैं. AI videos, I don't really believe in that. Yes, it may help. Yes, it may help even get some extra views, extra like फ़ायदे बहुत सारे हो रहे होंगे. But it's like I don't know. I guess ये पुरानी जनरेशन फील करती होगी जब मोबाइल फ़ोन इन्वेंट हुए थे. Pretty sure हम लोग एक पॉइंट पे will start to feel comfortable with this technology again. But that doesn't take away from the fact कि अभी वो discomfort फील हो रहा है. इस वीडियो का टॉपिक था कि शुड यू गो टू फिल्म स्कूल. यार जहाँ तक जैसे वर्ल्ड जा रही है, आई फील लाइक you shouldn't go to film school, you shouldn't go to any school. You can learn anything now on online everywhere. I don't know, schools may be a scam. आजकल मैं स्कूल्स को देख रहा हूँ, बड़े वियर्ड किस्म के ट्रेंड्स कर रहे होते हैं जस्ट टू बी कूल. When I'm saying schools, I'm talking about like O level वाले, O level, A level. उनकी मीडिया टीम्स बड़ी अजीब अजीब किस्म की रील्स लगाई होती है. ब्रो सबको ट्रेंड फॉलो करना होता है. There is no one who wants to make authentic, like authentic content. I know, I shouldn't say that. A lot of people do make authentic content. I've seen a lot of people. बस आई गेस मुझे कंटेंट से थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस फील इस वजह से होता है अब, क्योंकि I just don't think anyone's real anymore. Like everyone's doing it, and that's why I feel like it's lost its जो speciality थी, special vibe थी, वो ख़त्म हो गई थोड़ी सी. तो अब I feel like I only want to put out my thoughts, because अब मेरे जो thoughts and they are the most valuable thing that I have, because that is what I have worked on these past 4 years. I feel like I can dissect a topic. I feel like I can talk about it very nicely. But I don't know. Conversations जब hold करने की बारी आती है, तो I am usually the one who stays quiet. I try to observe, try to listen. When it's my turn to speak, I don't really say much. Say the bare necessities, जो the bare क्या बोलते हैं, the bare minimum चीज़ें बोलता हूँ मैं, and there we go, the conversation's over. खैर this don't matter इतना. अगर ये वीडियो अभी तक देख भी रहा है कोई, तो I don't know क्यों देख रहे हो bro. Yeah, I don't know क्यों अभी तक देख रहे हो. चलो अल्लाह हाफिज़. I will see you in the next one. हर साल मैं करता हूँ, लेकिन होपफुली मैं शायद कंसिस्टेंट रहूँ इस दफ़ा.